Class, let's jump into week 8. This week is designed to be a bit of a reprieve as we only have one subject to cover. This, I hope, will give you some extra time to polish up your website or your product, or maybe focus on some other classes. We're just passing the midway part of the semester. Some of you may have recently had midterms. It's just good to take a nice breather. Weeks 9 through 13, in contrast, are quite focused, quite busy. And then week 14 will be pretty lightweight. And that hopefully allows you to focus on finals for other classes if you have them. There's really no final in this class per se. It's project based. We'll be sharing our projects in week 14. And so there's no final exam. Our only topic this week will be ads and ad groups, really about how to improve your ads. Advertisement should be an iterative process, meaning you try again and you try again and you slowly get better. Sometimes you'll create a new ad or come up with something new and it doesn't go so well. You take a half step back and you try again. And this is to help you start that process. So there's some content here about how to make a good ad, what makes a good ad. Then you'll write and rewrite your ad. And then open a Word document, copy and paste the completed ad that you wrote. So that can be a screenshot of what you have on Google Ads. It can be a text version. Just make sure you have all the components of the ad. So you have the headline, you have the URL, you have the call to action. You have all components in there in that ad, and then submit that. Do pay attention to these Google ad policies. Inevitably, if accounts get suspended during this, for a couple students, I wish we could stop that somehow. But if your account gets suspended, just appeal it, reach out to Google. So far, I haven't had a student that hasn't been able to overturn their account suspension. So, but it's helpful to pay attention to those ad policies because your ad can get flagged unnecessarily if you're not careful. And that's it. You'll have your discussion board, your reflection, of course, and again, designed to be low-key this week. I hope it's a chance for you to catch up, and then next week things will certainly get busy again. Thanks, everyone.